Ricky Gutierrez. Is Ricky Gutierrez a scam and a fraud? David Jaffe with beststockstrategy.com, and in this video I'm going to provide you with my opinion on whether Ricky Gutierrez and his Learn, Plan, Profit program is a scam or whether it's a good value. Now, a lot of you guys know that I do not believe that day trading is a statistically viable way for people to make money in the stock market. In fact, a study was done that examined the University from Taiwan, and it looked at 360,000 day traders. It found that 359,000 of those day traders lost on average 15% a year. The top 500 out of 360,000 day traders were not those who were able to turn $500 into $1 million. Instead, the top 500 out of 360,000, they only made 5% above simply holding the SPY index, which means that if you buy the SPY index and you sell covered calls against it, you will be more successful than virtually every single day trader. So all of you guys who think that you're actually going to make money day trading, the fact is, which is backed up by statistical, hard, scientific research, that the chances that you lose money are 99.8%. And you're not just going to lose a little bit of money, you're going to lose 15% a year on average. And the top most successful day traders, you can easily outperform every single one of them by simply buying the SPY and then selling a covered call against it. So when I see someone say that they're expecting profits of around 1 or 2% every single day, to me, in my opinion, after graduating from an Ivy League university, working on Wall Street and becoming a successful investment banker and completing billions of dollars worth of transactions, and also being a very successful options trader myself, I can tell you that I look at this as a complete joke. I look, in my opinion, at Ricky Gutierrez, and he reminds me of someone who's trying to take over for Tim Sykes. He uses expensive cars, and he reminds me of the typical Lambo boy. And this person at 22 years old it's just really disappointing to me, where I look at him and his ability to market, his ability to gain and influence an audience. And he could put his, and this is all my opinion, but if he wasn't so greedy, he could put his talents to much better usage. And instead of trying to aggregate his audience to lead people where he's telling them that they're going to make money, but they're not, in my opinion. Instead of trying to tell them and take their money, instead what he could do is actually use his talents and use his ability to market and use his audience to help other people out and to be of service. So when Ricky Gutierrez tells people that they can expect to earn 1 to 2% every single day, to me it's just completely idiotic. I mean, if he has the desire to last a long time as a fake guru, then I don't know why he doesn't at least give something that's even borderline realistic. Tell people that they could earn 0.25% every single day. If you earn 0.25% every single day, that will automatically make you more successful than like 99.99% of day traders. Or actually, that'll make you more successful than 99.99% of the entire universe of traders and investors. Those are tremendous returns if you're able to earn over 1% every single week. On a compounding basis, that probably equates to around 75% every single year. Now, if you start out with like $2 million, if you earn 75% a year, even if you start out with less than that, you will soon be one of the richest people in the entire world. So I don't know why he tries to over-market himself and be so aggressive and tell people that they can earn 1 or 2% every single day. Instead, if he really wanted to do it, it's almost like you should just be a little bit less aggressive with your marketing and tell them that they could earn 0.25% every single day. But I think I'm getting a little bit off track here. And I want to give you my opinion that day trading is a scam. Day traders are fraud victims. And in my opinion, almost every single one of the people who invest in Ricky Gutierrez's course, you are not only going to likely waste your time, but you're also going to likely waste the money that you use to invest in his course. And then when you actually try to day trade, you are probably going to end up losing all of your money. And honestly, I don't feel bad for those people who do try to invest their money in his course and who do try to turn $2,000 into 10 million, because what is happening in that situation is the people are easy victims because they are greedy. They are trying to make fast and quick and easy money. So a lot of these fake gurus will use their own greed against their students. And that is an easy way for the fake gurus to manipulate their students and encourage those students to throw their money out by investing in a course, only to have these students then lose money by day trading. So effectively, these students are their own worst enemy because they are greedy and they're trying to make quick and easy money by day trading. And then they buy into a fake guru who drives a Lamborghini and who uses pretty women and rented houses and all of this stuff to try to give the allure of attention. And a lot of these fake gurus use fake social proof and fake social reviews that gives them a claim of legitimacy that they then use to get all of these students who are greedy and who try to turn $2,000 into $2 million to sign up. And in my opinion, they waste all of their money. So a few other things, there are a few videos on YouTube where people have apparently they've caught Ricky Gutierrez using a simulator and using a fake paper trading account. And in my opinion, Ricky Gutierrez is a complete fraud. He is, in my opinion, a Lambo boy. And really what it comes down to with a lot of these gurus, and not everyone out there is a fake guru. I know that I have been very critical of Kirk Duplessis, but in my opinion, Kirk Duplessis does have decent intentions. Like, yes, as I've detailed previously, I know that he tried to take advantage of Mandy, the girl from China. He was also caught on Reddit using fake reviews. You can Google that and you'll see that he was caught using fake reviews. But I think more importantly, I would have never made any videos about Kirk Duplessis if I actually thought that his strategy worked, because I care about the people who purchase these programs. I want to make sure that they're utilizing their time well. I want to make sure that the people that they put their faith and trust in have positive intent and are going to help their students learn a viable strategy that their students can use for the long term to generate consistent profits in the stock market. So that's why I was critical of Kirk Duplessis, because I do not believe that selling iron flies or having negative delta and selling calls in a rising stock market is a good strategy. Entering any trade that you have the expectation of managing, in my opinion, is a very poor strategy. But going back to intent, I believe that a lot of these fake gurus have the sole intent of defrauding innocent victims. Now, actually, let me go back and correct what I said. I don't necessarily think that all of these victims are necessarily innocent, because as I said around 3 minutes ago, they're not so innocent because they're greedy. Anytime they think, or anytime you think, that it is possible to turn $2,000 into $2 million by earning 1% a day by day trading, you are ripe to lose all your money and to be defrauded by a fake guru. But regarding these fake gurus, I think you have to judge people based upon intent. Do they put out educational materials and free videos that you can watch and where it actually makes sense to you? Or are they trying to teach you some BS indicator about using technical analysis or some secret chart pattern that they use to turn $2,000 into $5 million? And then if you sign up for this webinar or if you pay them $5,000, they too will teach you a special indicator and a special pattern that they've used by day trading to turn $2,000 into $2 million. It's these people who, in my opinion, have the sole intent of defrauding innocent people, and it's these people that need to be exposed. So in my opinion, Ricky Gutierrez is a complete fraud. He is, again, in my opinion, a Lambo boy. He is someone who I believe almost all of his students will lose their money by investing in his program. As I've said, I watched some other videos. I know that CoffeeZilla, Steven, has put out a video about Ricky Gutierrez as well. I know that there's some other videos out there where people have apparently caught Ricky Gutierrez using a simulated account. And please share your opinion. Leave a comment below and let me know your thoughts on whether you believe Ricky Gutierrez is legitimate or whether you believe that Ricky Gutierrez is a fraud. David Jaffe with beststockstrategy.com. You can go to beststockstrategy.com, enter in your email address, and receive $400 worth of free training that's more valuable than it's more valuable than anyone else's paid materials. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel. And once again, leave a comment below and let me know whether you believe Ricky Gutierrez is legitimate or whether you believe that Ricky Gutierrez is a fraud and a scam artist. Please share your opinion below, and I appreciate your attention.